When you feel good about who you work for, you also feel a sense of satisfaction that comes with it. And here at Roy's, you'll experience a sense of pride every single day. We turn jobs into careers by taking your skill set to the next level with the best training around. With industry-leading benefits and on-the-job training, we're always looking for good people who want to feel pride in their work. Because here at Roy's, you're a valued member of our family. So if you're looking for a change, we want to meet you. Just call Roy's to start or grow your career in plumbing, HVAC, electrical, or carpentry today.